Everyone, how to solve this very nice problem for the value of x cube divided by 2 is equal to 4. Let's come to the solution. First of all, multiplying both sides by 2. X cube divided by 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 4 multiply by 2 by multiplying 2 on both sides. This implies this 2 from denominator and this 2 from numerator cancel out each other. Here x cube is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Now by moving 8 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. This implies x cube minus 8. 8 we can write this as 2 cube. When we multiply 2 3 times, we get 8 is equal to 0. Now by using an algebraic identity, if we have a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Using this algebraic identity here, in the place of a there is x and in the place of b we have 2. So this will become a minus b x minus 2 into a squared, it means x squared, plus ab x into 2 plus b squared 2 squared, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now this will become x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4, is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. From this x minus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2. By moving negative 2 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become positive 2 and 0 plus 2, which is 2. So we get x is equal to 2. And from this x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation. So we will apply the quadratic formula. In this quadratic equation, we have x a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 4. And the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now using these values a, b and c in this quadratic formula, this implies x is equal to minus, in place of b we will use this value, plus minus square root of b squared, it's mean 2 squared, minus 4a which is 1 and c which is 4, divided by 2 multiplied by a, 2 multiplied by 1. Now in the next step, x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4, and 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16, divided by 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 16, which is minus 12, divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 12. We can write this minus 12 as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1. 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12, and 12 multiplied by minus 1, which is minus 12, divided by 2. Now from an algebraic identity, if we have a, b whole square root, this is equal to square root of a into square root of b. So this will become x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 into square root of 3 into square root of minus 1 and whole divide by 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4, which is 2, into square root of 3, square root of minus 1, which is iota I, divide by 2. Now we can factor out 2 from numerator as a common. Hence 2 inside the bracket minus 1 plus minus 2, which we have taken it common, and inside square root 3 I will be left, divide by 2. So now x is equal to, these two numbers are cancel out each other. Here minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 I will be left. As first we have found that x is equal to 2, and now we have found that x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 3i, and x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 3i. So this is the real solution and these two are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.